Alright, using matrices to solve systems equations. Okay, and augmented matrices. Alright, an augmented matrix consists of coefficients and constants, constant terms of a system equation separated by a dashed line. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to transfer these equations in standard form and put them into a matrix. Alright, so what they did, our x is usually first. Okay, so we got an x column, a y column, and then the equals. Right, so our x coefficient is 2, our y coefficient is positive 3, and 2 is also positive, 8 is positive. So what I put in the second one is I need to make sure x and y, x is first then y. So the x is -1, and the y is 4, and the equals is 7. Okay? Now for this one, write an augmented matrix. So the first row here is 1 in front of x, positive 3, and 6. Alright? The second one, there is no x. So no means is a numerical value of 0. The y has a 2, positive 2, and the equals is also a 6. Okay? So if there's no value there, it's got to be a 0. So if I knew the x, but I didn't know, and the y was missing, then the y would get the 0.